How millions of clothes are made every day inside a massive modern clothing factory, the complete industrial garment manufacturing process. The complete industrial garment manufacturing process begins as blended fibers are precisely fed into the parallel carding lines. The ring spinning process is fully automated, with thousands of spindles working in unison to create the yarn used in millions of clothes every day. Hundreds of loom positions work in perfect synchronization. The warp yarns are continuously fed into the system, beginning the high-speed weaving process. Compressed air fires the weft yarn across the warp at incredible speed, creating a continuous web of textile. How millions of clothes are made every day. Inside this massive modern clothing factory, the industrial garment manufacturing process is fully automated. How millions of clothes are made every day inside a massive modern clothing factory, complete industrial garment manufacturing process. How millions of clothes are made every day inside a massive modern clothing factory, the complete industrial garment manufacturing process.
How millions of clothes are made every day inside a massive modern clothing factory, complete industrial garment manufacturing process.
The saturated fabric is fed into the water extractor. Precision rollers compress the textile, squeezing out the rinse water before it advances toward drying. How millions of clothes are made every day inside a massive modern clothing factory, complete industrial garment manufacturing process. After passing visual inspection, the fabric moves to the automated laser measurement system, ensuring precision before cutting. How millions of clothes are made every day.
Yeah.
Inside a massive modern clothing factory. Complete industrial garment manufacturing process.
Once the fabric is cut, the automated separation begins. Robotic arms use vacuum suction to quickly sort the panels onto the conveyors.
The sewing line is fully automated. Sensors identify each precisely cut panel and synchronize the correct components for assembly. The automated collar sewing and folding machine precisely folds and stitches each collar into its finished shape, ready to be attached to the neck openings.
Here, the cut fabric pieces are fed into the automated folding and stitching machine, rapidly transforming them into finished cuff bands. The next stage is bottom hem formation. Using automated machinery, the fabric edge is precisely folded and...
Inside this massive modern clothing factory, the garment manufacturing process is fully automated. Here we see the precision of pocket preparation.
The elastic is inserted at controlled tension and stitched precisely into the garment by the automated machinery.
How millions of clothes are made every day, inside a massive modern clothing factory. Once folded, the garments proceed to the automated tagging station, where a vision system ensures the correct size is applied every time.